We're going to be looking at the Pro hand stitching set from Leathercraft. Disclaimer, this has been sent as a sponsored prize for a sweepstake which I'm running for my 10th anniversary. You'll be able to find a link for the competition in my description for this video, and it's also at handmadebyalex.com. Let's jump into it. So the first thing you notice is this is a nice solid big old box. I'll open up. I've not actually looked in this yet, so I guess it's as good as mine. Apart from when you see what's on the front. So we have the original stitching horse, sort of right there, right where we can see it as part of the set. This is a fantastic stitching horse, and I will show in this video and a separate video how it works and how you put it together. So apologies for whoever wins it, but I will be opening it and assembling it. Fantastic bit of kit. We then also have, let's have a look, premium linen thread. So you get 35 yards on this, and you get a colour they call in that, a khaki and black. So I'll go with most things that you like. We get a hand sewing palm, what do they call it? Yep, leather sewing palm for right-handed people. There's a big R on it there, which indicates that. There'll be a separate video which shows how this is used. We get a nice big chunk of beeswax. Ooh, we get some polishing compound. Those that have seen over the videos on preventative maintenance, on sharpening and keeping things, oh gosh. My sharpening videos, you'll know that I love this stuff. I have some which lives in my apron all day, every day, but mine looks a little bit like this. That's what it looks like new, if anybody was wondering. So that's good. It lasts for years and years and years. Great stuff. There you go. We also get a leather strop. So you rub your polishing compound on this. You have a smooth side and a rougher side. There's a debate on which one works best. I am indifferent. My strop looks like this. So take from that what you will, but these are really good. Get some more threads. So we've got khaki and black again. They look to be different sizes. They're both 0.55mm. Both 35 yards. This one just says it's premium. As we can see, it's smoother, and this one seems to have more of a texture to it. Okay, sure. An awl block, which is a block to put your awls in. Can you see that? Really good for holding needles and stabby things to stop them from stabbing you. A small poly cutting board. So this is 6 by 6 inches. Really good for protecting your work spaces. So put this down, put your piece of leather on top and punch into it. A poly mallet. This is a 9-ounce poly mallet. I've had one of these for many, many years. The handles on them are great. Really, really good. Just a sort of beginner's tool without spending too much money. Then some hand tools. So we have a number 6 stitching wheel, an overstitcher. I have a number 5 overstitcher. I'll do a separate video on how these work. A number 7. I think that's it for the stitches, yep. We also have a steel burnishing awl. So quite sharp. You're not necessarily going to use it for awling things, but definitely for burnishing. And inside the holes it's really good for, especially if you're doing anything with belt loop on it. Really, really good. We have some, these will be 3mm stitching chisels. Stitching chisels, not pricking irons. These are designed to go all the way through the leather. Do have a separate video on this for the Tandy ones, are exactly the same. I either make them. And I would recommend polishing the paint off of the tines. Makes it release much easier. But you've got a 6-tooth, a 4-tooth, a 2-tooth, and a 1-tooth. Good little set. I also have an awl handle, an adjustable awl handle, so you unscrew this bit, put your awl blade in. I have some thread cutters, so they collapse in quite nicely. Little pocket clip on them. This was in the other kit as well. And here we have a good selection of things. I think these are all awl blades. Oh my goodness, mostly awl blades and some hand sewing needles. Oh wow, got some pretty good ones on here. So we have a stabbing awl blade, 2-inch straight flat. We have just a stabbing awl blade, which is curved. This is a diamond awl blade. This is one that I'd probably use the most. This is a 2-inch diamond awl blade, so much bigger. $60mm, wow, thick old blade. I'll take these out and get some shots of them as well. We have some, what size are these? Harness needles, 10-pack, medium size. The hand sewing. Some more awl blades. This is a straight round awl blade, so it's circular. It's another round, 60mm. A straight round awl blade, 2-inch, 50mm. We've got another curved one there. I've created separate videos for the stitching horse, sewing palm, stainless steel burnisher, overstitch wheels, all haft and all the blades, all of which can be found in the links below. Don't forget to head to handmadebyalex.com to enter for free to win this kit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more leatherworking tips, tricks and build-alongs, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos go live.